Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are an After Effects user, you know how beautiful plugins can be for speeding up your workflow and adding amazing effects to your projects. But sometimes installing plugins can be a bit tricky, especially if you are new to the software or just haven't done it before. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install plugins in After Effects, whether you are using an effect plugin, transitions or animation tools. I will walk you through the steps so that you can get started quickly. All the links for the plugins or the resources that I have mentioned in this video are linked down in the description below, so make sure you check that out as well. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. So before you can actually install a plugin, you need to download it first, right? So there are many plugins come with installers, but some need to be manually placed in the After Effects plugins folder, and here is how you can basically do it. First of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar you can search for After Effects plugins, or you can even visit the official plugin website or your plugin marketplace. Now once you search for this term, you will see a bunch of different websites that are going to provide you free After Effects plugins. So let's say I'm going to click on this one. So from the website, you just have to simply download it for Windows. So select this option and sign in on here with your account. Then you will be able to download this pack in zip file in your device. Now you need to extract the file if they are in the zip format. Some of the plugins also require a license key or the activation code, so you need to be sure to check if that is included. Now once you have successfully downloaded that particular plugin in your PC, you just have to simply install it. So there are two main ways to install a plugin in After Effects, using an installer or manually placing the files in the plugins. So if you want to download it with the help of an installer, you just have to simply select that file, and you need to just unzip it and follow further instructions prompted to actually install the plugin. Once it is installed successfully, After Effects will automatically going to recognize it for the next time when you launch your program. But if your plugin doesn't have an installer, you will need to manually place the plugin files into the After Effects folder. For that, you can just try this path, in which if you are using Windows, you need to first of all go to the C file, then go to program files. There you will see Adobe. There you will have to select Adobe After Effects and select the version. After that, select the support files option, plugins, and paste the plugin file there. If you are using Mac OS, you need to go to applications, then select the option of Adobe After Effects, then select the option of plugins and paste the plugin there. Basically, when you extract the plugin, you just have to go to these paths depending on which device you are using, and there you will have to just paste that particular plugin file in the plugins and plugins folder in your Adobe After Effects. Now once you have successfully done that, you just have to simply activate the plugin by launching After Effects application. So you just have to launch it, and over here in the left hand section itself, you will see the list of all of the plugins that you have added. If you are not able to find it over here, you need to go to the Windows tab and check if the plugin is installed properly or not. Now for any reason, if you are not able to install your plugin after using all of these methods that I have mentioned in this video, you can just come at adobe.com, and over here you can contact to the customer support team for your After Effects about it. So here you need to just come down and you will see the contact us option here, so click on that and you can just contact to the customer service about this problem. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.